Now, another notion, somebody can ask you, what's the wisdom behind, pork and this and that? So you say, look, I'm worshiping Allah. I'm worshiping the who. I'm not worshiping the why, right? I'm not doing something only because it intellectually makes sense. And as we already show an example, you can manipulate intellect. You can make something appear to be intellectually true or convincing, even though it isn't, right? There are many examples of that, how politicians do that, and how we saw that in a math example. You're doing it because you know it's from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And sometimes you may get partial wisdom, and as more scientific research is done, more case studies is done, your iman grow, right? You see like the consequences of the haram thing. And sometimes you also have to understand the context of the society. Certain things may be permissible because Islam is general. Islam is not only for Toronto. So you may have some rule or some permission, and you might say, oh, why do I need that, right? So simple example of, you can clean yourself without water, right, with stones. Now, somebody would say, oh, why do I need that? It's because you have to understand that Islam is so general that it has to be applicable and applicable in all places in the world.